Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I am going to be using the Hervigour cold press juicer machine that has a dual mouth with slow masticating juicer that is a compact design to extract juice from fruits and vegetables, celery and wheatgrass juice maker, and it's easy to clean and is BPA free. The colors that you guys can buy this in is red and orange. They are both about the same price. If you go to my Amazon link that is in my description box down below, you guys will find a link that is going to take you to the website for this juicer. And as of today, there is a coupon where you can apply $16 off. With this coupon, you will get the amount off of the juicer, which in total is $58. The color that I got is red. It's portable, it has a quiet motor, it's reverse functionable, it has a big mouth with a smart juice cap, it's dishwasher safe, and it's a compact design. The material is plastic and it is recommended for juice fasting and weight loss. Down in this box comes not only a brush that you're going to be able to clean your pieces with, but also 2 cups, one for the actual juice to come in and one for the shell of the fruit to go into, or like the outside of it. It also comes with the juicer body machine, and then the juicing body, the juice cups, the pulp collector, and along with a pusher, which is the piece that goes down in there, and then it comes with a fine strainer, a juicing body cover, and a spiral presser. So I am washing my fresh fruit and vegetables in a vinegar wash that's half vinegar, half water. Washing your fruits and vegetables not only helps to remove dirt, bacteria, and stubborn garden pests, but it also helps to remove residual pesticides. So under running water, rub your fruit and vegetables with your hands, or you can buy one of the hand brushes. Here are some of the fruits that I'm going to be juicing today: pineapple, carrots, cucumber, lemons, pears, oranges, green apples, red apples, celery, you name it. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the first juice, which will be the cucumber, apple, lemon that I make from time to time, and I'm just showing you guys how this is going to work with the new juicer, being that the older one was a lot louder and a lot more to clean. I think that the fruit and vegetables are going to go into this one just fine. So I'm going to chop everything up, get ready to turn it on and give it a roll. Let me just say that this is quiet and has a powerful DC motor, which means it's quiet and efficient motor for a peaceful juicing anytime. And it's also better for a long life. There is also a piece to this juicer that is going to kick into effect after 10 minutes so that your juicer does not overheat. With summer coming back into season, it means that all of the detox juices are back, which means that the lemon, cucumber, and apple detox juice, which it does not have to be just a detox juice, it can be juiced just to drink. It is absolutely delicious, and it's a perfect transitional juice, especially coming into the summer season, and it doesn't have to go into hiding in the fall. This is a juice that is made from freshly picked green apples with a little tanginess from the lemon. Now, I choose to use red and green from time to time, just depending on the type of apples that are out. This lemon, cucumber, and apple juice, the cucumber plays a major role in promoting hydration, and it is even known to aid in weight loss. Cucumbers are very low in calories, but they're packed with nutrients. The lemons are a big component in supporting a healthy heart, and they also play a part in the digestive health. So once again, promoting hydration, supporting weight loss, improving skin health, and is even known to prevent kidney stones. Fun fact, green apples are so full of antioxidants that they keep your skin elastic, fighting off against the aging process. Green apples are also known to combat acne and provide a boost of vitamin C. While I am still finishing up this juice, I thought that I would tell you I have done my research about the benefits of juicing, and I definitely can say it's something that you should do weekly. And of course, to prepare different ones, it's such a huge benefit. With these juices, I can create either 3 8-ounce jars, or I can create 6 4-ounce jars. With that being said, yes, you can add water to some of these to dilute them if you would like to, but I think that you would be better off with just the way that it comes out. Some of the benefits of juicing is that it strengthens the immune system. It can also aid in weight loss, as well as helping to balance hormones, help you sleep better, increase your energy, reduce allergy symptoms. It increases your nail strength, it helps with chronic illnesses, and it improves digestion as well as balancing your skin condition, giving healthier hair as well as mental, emotional, and spiritual health. A lot of people wonder what are the benefits of juicing, and those were just a few that I named. The benefits of juicing deep down inside is that each juice is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It is a better nutrient absorption. It's energizing. It can also once again improve your skin health. It helps to build a better immune system. It improves athletic performance. It gives you a better digestion and gut bacterium. And it also can help to detoxify the body. Some juices give the brain energy boost from time to time, because it is all natural fruits and vegetables that are being used, as well as juicing can help to reduce your appetite because you're doing these in the morning, or if you're doing them at night, just depending on why you made that juice and what you made it for. So juicing rests your liver, it rests your gut, it helps you sometimes to lose weight, yes, so sometimes was thrown out there. And juicing can just eliminate the harmful foods that we consume in our bodies on a daily. So do I recommend juicing? Yes. Even if you do juice once a week, even if you produce 2 juices a week, I highly recommend juicing because a lot of us leave out fruits and vegetables into our daily diets every single day. Finishing up the green juice, I will pour it into little containers next, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Most of your color comes from the cucumber, and the juice is the actual apple and lemon that you can really taste in that one. This is a morning glory juice. This one right here is something that you drink in the morning time. It has a very great background to this juice. It's good for digestive. It's also very sharp in acidity from the oranges that assist in bowel movements and relieves the indigestion. And of course, like the fiber from the apples and the pineapple give it that sharp acidity. Pineapples and oranges both contain a lot of fiber, water, and vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and keeps you hydrated. They're also loaded with vitamin A, K, calcium, iron, and folate. The health benefit of drinking this pineapple orange juice includes having stronger bones and stronger teeth. While pineapple and orange juice can be included in a healthy diet, it is important to remember that no single food or drink can be guaranteed for weight loss. Pineapple and apples also have a wonderful cleansing property that, especially if you're feeling sick, as they are packed with the vitamin C and magnesium. Vitamin C helps to support your immune system with antioxidants, while magnesium is essential for muscle and nerve function. Now that both juices are done, I am going to go ahead and put them into some juicing container cups. The first one is the cucumber, apple, lemon, and the second one is that Morning Glory drink that I have shared with you all, which is the pineapple, apples, and oranges. I have made enough to put into 3 of these 8-ounce bottles. Honestly, I would say I prefer if I had put it in the 4-ounce because it doesn't make enough of the 8 ounces. So as you can see, these juices clearly only make enough to make 3 8 ounces, which means that it would make a total of 6 4-ounce bottles total. Those will be in my description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscription button down below.